kids learning English. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and hot.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy the sound of rain.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's very cold.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love winter weather.
Is it hot in summer?
Yes, it's very hot in summer.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, when it looks like rain.
What season do you like most?
I like spring the most.
Is it cloudy outside?
Yes. It looks like rain. Is.
Do you like the wind?
Not really.
It's too strong. What do you wear in winter?
I wear a jacket and a hat.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love going to new places.
Have you ever been to the sea?
Yes, I went to Cox's Bazar.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit Japan.
How do you travel to school?
I travel by bus.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, we travel together.
Have you traveled by train?
Yes, many times.
Do you travel during holidays?
Yes, we go to the village.
What is your favorite travel place?
I love the beach.
Do you like long journeys?
No, I get tired easily.
Have you flown in a plane?
No, not yet.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the local market.
What do you often buy?
I often buy clothes and food.
Do you buy online?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is a bookstore.
Do you go shopping alone?
No, I go with my sister.
Do you buy things with cash or card?
I use cash.
How often do you shop?
Once a week.
Do you like big malls?
Yes, they have many choices.
Do you bargain when you shop?
Yes, I always try to.
Do you go to school?
Yes, every weekday.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, they are helpful.
Do you get good marks?
Yes, I try hard.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I do.
Do you use a computer at school?
Sometimes for projects.
How do you go to school?
I go by rickshaw.
Do you take lunch to school?
Yes, I bring it from home.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few close ones.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Rafi.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, almost every day.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, study, and play.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you dance or sing?
I like to sing.
What's your favorite sport?
Football is my favorite.
Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes with friends.
Do you use YouTube?
Yes, for music and learning.